Greetings YouTube, it is me, Blazing Larvesta, and over the past semester, while taking my CSE 111 class at Texas A&M University, I learned some extra tricks that I can use while navigating through code in Java through this program I'm using called Atom, and this commented program that I'm using right here contains some of the tips which I would like to go over. So like. Obviously, if you want to comment out a line, you just do two slashes and then whatever code you use won't be taken into account when the program is running. This can be pretty useful when you want to explain to people looking at the code how your program works and various other stuff like what certain parts do and the like. So, anyways, here's some tricks that I've learned when taking classes in Java. So like if you hold the Control button and then click anywhere in the code, it'll create more cursors that you can use to like all if you want to place various code in certain locations. and then you can navigate through each area and then type in certain values. All right, and some more features that the Control button can use is like it's like swapping lines of code. So like if I hold Control and then press the up or down buttons, then I can swap various lines of code and. And yeah, like that. Like, on top of that, holding down Control and pressing the A button highlights the entire code, and while Control C typically copies whatever you highlighted. If you hold down Control and press C without code, without having anything copied, it'll make a copy of the line you are currently on. Like in case you want to put a line of code in multiple locations. Like there's some more tips and tricks in this in my notes that I didn't go over, like Control slash and printf with the % and using the asterisks to give everything in the imported code. But I feel like this is a good enough. This is a good enough tutorial on some of the tricks I learned. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video and learned something from this. I'm the Blazing Larvesta. Thank you for watching. I'm signing out. Thanks.